Hi guys, my name is Franklin Nochunze, and I will be your main person to be giving you tutorials on acting for film, as you can see. So acting for film is something that we all loved, and most of us here in the 21st century, we all want to belong in the film industry. So far, we will start by this. Hey. A story. You can't get here without knowing this. Now, we live in a world that everybody wants to say something, everyone wants to do something, everybody wants to make his or her sense of reasoning be heard or seen by other people. That is, each and everyone wants to contribute. But how do we do this? We can only work in the 21st century with these skills. Audiovisual skills, which the central unit is filmmaking. Now, when we talk about filmmaking, it must start with a story. What do you want to say? What do you want people to listen to? And what do you want to show people? What do you want people to understand? It must come through a story, because we know this is the easiest way of learning. Go back in the days where we read books and see pictures. Now we enjoy seeing moving pictures, and that is still film. It's only in the film world that you have moving pictures collected together to form a story. Now, do you have a story to tell? How do you tell them? Others in the days will use novels with pictures, as I earlier said. But the best today, as we call ourselves the Android generation, would like to use moving images to present our story. We got devices like telephones, computers, different type, desktop, laptop, and we have iPads and other multimedia platforms to exercise ourselves. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, you can name them. Entertainers today got all the opportunity they want to be what they want. They got all the opportunity to make their stories to be heard by different people. It is your responsibility as an entertainer to make your story be heard. Why? Because you are an example to the world. Okay? Stories are not just for you to enjoy, but the content of the story is to learn something. Because you are speaking to the universe. You're speaking to people. You want to correct something. There are a lot of things going around you today. There are a lot of things going around the world today. What is your own contribution? That is your story that you have to say. What is happening in your village? What is happening in your city? What's happening in your country? What is happening in the world? How many events do we have per day? All those are collections of stories. What do you do with them? Do you leave them die? Ask yourself that question. Then you understand that in the entertainment world, you got a contribution to make. So without a story, you cannot correct, you cannot edify, you cannot blow the horn, hey, that something is going on and we need to see into it. That's why people have a lot to say. And now I will bring you into acting. These stories need characters. This story needs characters. And these characters, as we call them, actors. These characters are known as actors. What is their place in a story? Their place in a story is to present the story in real form for people to understand better. Remember, I told you that a story can be presented in many forms. I took you an example of a novel with pictures. We read novels when we were in school, and we got the knowledge of what the writer wanted to say. But it is better to present it in a live form. So actors, or rather characters, in a story, according to our audiovisual concept, is to bring the story live and real for us to enjoy. That is why we call it entertainment, because bringing the story right, bringing the story live, bringing the story real entertains us and gives us better understanding how that character works and his or her actions, behavior, the way things are done comes live. It helps us to see that character again in a fictional self. And there we can stand up and learn the right and wrongs about that character, or tell someone about that character with full confidence. That is why acting for film is a profession and not a leisure activity. Are you getting? Acting for film is a profession and not a leisure activity. So FNS Acting Conservation is here to bring you all the best to grow up your career in acting for film. What is your place in the industry? What is your place in the entertainment world? How do you prepare yourself to get into the entertainment world? What are the duties of an entertainer, or rather still an actor in the entertainment world? We will be seeing all those things in our subsequent edition perfectly. Thank you guys for being connected. I know already on our YouTube page we have already like 392 that are connected, waiting for this opportunity. On our WhatsApp also, we have you guys that were waiting for this opportunity. It just started in Kigali Film School, Rwanda. You guys are also connected with us. We'll do a good partnership, and we'll be extending our greetings to and our tutorial efforts with you guys with good changes. Starward University Douala, you guys are all connected, and it's just the first move. We are all collaborating, and we'll give you guys the best when it comes to the media production world. So we cannot forget our partners, CJ Production, that is actually giving us this production studio that will be carrying out our tutorial with. And the person behind the camera that is doing this great job, he's called HD Green. He likes that name like that. We will be ending here with the homework. Your homework will be to find the place of an actor, or the value of an actor in the entertainment industry, or still the value of an actor in a story. Okay, in our next classes we'll be talking about the value of an actor in a story. Our better like we take in a story, then we go gradually before we see the value of an actor in the entertainment industry. So that should be an assignment. You will do it, then you forward to us your replies or your answers through our YouTube page, FNS Acting Conservation, you can subscribe if you like, or those who are in our WhatsApp groups, you forward them with your name and your address, the country you belong, then we will take it from there. So for now, thank you and see you next time.